Spike Frugal Fixer here, and I'm going to give you a quick little tip. When you go out roll a copper tubing, and you're going to put flare nuts on it to make something, or put on them compression things on the end of it, be aware that the first end of this piece of tubing where they put this little kink and put it in a roller, well, this end here where I cut it off, it might just look real smooth like this, but the one they cut off, well, might not work so well. So yeah, let me show you how we fix that problem in the trade here, okay? Watch this video, let's see it. Check it out, see it. Frugal Fixer here, one of them quick Frugal Fixer tips. And you get the flare nut, and you go to put it on it, and well, it won't fit because the tubing's well, if you get to start with the end of the roller tubing, it's not going to go well. So what you do, this is the way you fix it. You ready? Let me show you. Check it out. You take your wrench, you start right here, and you got a real fine touch, but you start walking it around, and you see, you can, I don't know if y'all can hear this or not, but what I'm doing is I'm taking this high spot. It's had a where they rounded it on the machine when they rolled it up, they made a high spot. Okay, so I'm going to keep walking it up like this, see? Making sure it go all the way around it and staying the same. And then as I adjust the wrench, I adjust a little more tension to it if I need to bring it on up and get it smooth, okay? So I'm going to keep rounding this pipe, going around a little further. Once you get your wrench adjusted, you're putting the same size circle, so it should go on, because it's out of round is the reason it won't go on. I promise you. I can about promise you this nut is not going to be not out of round, but put a little more tension on it. And walk our way right down it and keep. Okay, when the wrench is tight somewhere, that means that's the direction its deflection is. So we're going to round it with this, making a round pipe, roundy, roundy. Okay, let's see if it'll go. Okay, we got it on. Let's put a flare on it. Okay, y'all check out the tip. And do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell and all that, because I'm doing this and building guitars and growing grass. And yeah, y'all get to ride on the ADHD train with Spike. The most important part of putting on a flare nut, after you get the pipe round, you put the nut on. And then you make sure you leave the nut on before you put the tool on to do the flare. If not, you'll be starting all over, and hope you got enough to do it with. Yeah. Okay, tool, half inch. Mount it on. Like I say, make sure the nut's on. Okay, you see this? You want to bring this up where it's just right at the top. Even, right here, just barely. I want just a hair sticking out right here. See that? Right here. I want just a hair of this up, so when it folds out, it'll go out here, it'll go to this outside edge, but it won't get so big that it won't go back inside the nut. Got that? That's the plan. So let's get it on there and go. So here's the next part of this project. What I got to do is I got to tighten this up really tight so the pipe won't slide up and down. When you're doing that, you can take this part, use the handle, get you some leverage to get them tight. See? There you go now. We'll put the tool on. So we're going to say we're going to get it like this with two hands. We'll crank it down. Okay. Now, let's take it back off. Just loosen it up, pop right off. Take the wrenches off. There's going to be our flare. We got a little flare on the end. I'll pull the nut up onto the flare. So the flare is inside, see? Okay. I'm going to put the gas valve right there. Cap this off, get a wrench, tighten it up. And we're going to put us a plug and a cap in here so it can't leak. Okay, it's all roughed in, ready to go. And we're going under the house and tie it into the main. Hey, okay guys, we're under the house and we're going to make the connection under here. And you can see there's 3 pipes right here. Yeah, 3 pipes right here. Now let's fix that right quick. Gathering up tools, and it's all done. Rounded everything out, got it tight, and ready to go. Leak test it. Son, you got a liner? It's a little dark under here. I'm going to do a test like a leak test. Yeah, ready? Let's leak test it. There you go, leak test. If it's leaking, we'd know about it by now, wouldn't we? Boom! Thank you for sticking around and let me show you how to get the pipe and go through the little nut. And hey, come back see me next time and remember this. God loves you and so do I, and you can't take it with you. So do me a favor. Yeah, do something to help somebody out this week for me, okay? Do that for you. I'm helping my son out. And you know, it's kind of family, but you help somebody. Okay, take care of yourselves. Later, guys. Gotta get back to work. Frugal Fixing. See you later. Bye.